So I'll tell you what, we are into it, and it's time to get into the music. So Timmy, it's game day. Are you ready to go? You ready to hear some Luna Shade? I hope the internet is. If you got, please make comments, put it on the line. Tell us how you feel about the music. Be here, be now. This is all about the good times. So Timmy, that's what we're here to do, brother. We're here to raise a little vibe, and if we can, a little cheese.
I want to hear the music.
Let's get after it, because my voice is getting really monotone by now.
Hey, here's to you guys, Luna Shade.
Respect.
Goldie.
Thank you so much. Hey.
Pon Di Rock we go, oh yeah. Pon Di Rock we go, oh no, no, no. By my side, finally found the freedom to say my goodbyes. The ocean always held a special place in my heart. Inspiration through this music we call out. Say culture to culture, we all still the same. Building another life on this beautiful plane. Yeah, culture to culture, we all still the same. Oh, no, 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 no. Ooh. Pon Di Rock we go. Pon Di Rock we go, oh yeah. Pon Di Rock we go, oh no, no, no. Everything's safe. Phrase I miss most, yeah, living for today. Turquoise water and the salt on my skin. Baby, come over here and dance with me again and see. Oh, na 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 na. I say, oh. Pon Di Rock we go. Pon Di Rock we go, oh yeah. Pon Di Rock we go, oh no, no, no. Hey. Rock we go, oh yeah. Pon Di Rock we go, oh no, no, no. Pon Di Rock we go, Pon Di Rock we go, oh yeah. Pon Di Rock we go, oh no, no, no. Pon Di Rock we go, Pon Di Rock we go, oh yeah.
Thank you guys. Respect.